How to activate Amazon MasterCard online. To do so, open up a preferred web browser. Once you open up the web browser, type in Activate Amazon MasterCard. Once you make a search, you can go ahead and click on this Amazon Rewards Card/Credit Cards option under Chase Bank. And then, in order to activate your new card, you'll first need to log into your Chase account. Enter your username in the first text box, enter your password on the next. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the Forgot Username/Password link and follow through the prompts till the end. After filling in both of your details, click on the Sign In button and on the next page, follow through the on-screen prompts, enter your MasterCard details and other information to activate your Amazon MasterCard with Chase. That is how it can be done. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.